This is evening time and listen. Birds, they are chirping on trees. It's so amazing. Sun is about to set. Look at the garden. It's not as beautiful as it used to be in rainy season, but it's okay. It has also its beauty. Like every season has its beauty, right? So in rainy season, once again, my garden will be green, but it's okay. Coming to our fluency, is it changing or not? Are you able to speak English language or not? Because everything is changing constantly, right? Year changed. We were in 2025 and now we are in 2026. And weather, season, everything is changing, right? What about our fluency? Is it changing? Do you want to see changes in your speaking? Then watch this video. I want to speak English language fluently and effortlessly. Few months back, I expected that I would be speaking this language fluently. But I'm disappointed because whatever I expected, I didn't get. I failed. I'm unable to see improvement. I'm unable to speak this language fluently the way I expected. So I'm disappointed. What should I do? How can I speak this language fluently and effortlessly like others? What should I do? Is this your problem? So don't worry, my friend. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people a lot of things regarding this language and how you can improve this language. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. Actually, what happened? Many of us, we make mistake here that we don't practice with consistency. My friend, this is our biggest mistake. Okay, we should practice every single day. Actually, if you drop your practice, you will forget. अगर आप डेली प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हैं तो जो चीज़ें आप लर्न किए रहते हैं आप भूल जाएंगे. You won't be able to speak or use those things. It could be grammar or some vocabulary. You won't be able to use them successfully. If you want to use them successfully, then you should practice every single day with consistency. I have experienced when I don't practice, I feel that I'm forgetting this language. However, I have given a lot of time. So what would be the condition of beginners? What would be the condition of intermediate people? My friend, it would be very hard for them to improve their English if they don't practice every single day. So consistency is key to speak this language. If you want to see improvement, if you want to speak this language fluently, maintain consistency. The thing is that many of us, we practice someday and after that we drop our practice. We think, okay, if I don't practice, so what's wrong? But my friend, here we are making mistake. We should not drop our practice even for a single day. No matter how many hours or how many minutes you are giving, it doesn't matter. What matters, whether you are practicing every single day or not. It plays vital role to speak this language fluently. Consistency is key. Okay, so maintain consistency. Other thing, you may have heard and watched from many people that how to improve English language. So let me tell you one thing, that if I share with you some idea, some technique to improve English language, 100% it will not work on you. You can apply and it may not work on you, or it may work on you also. So I cannot guarantee you that whatever I'm sharing with you people, it will work. It worked in my case, but I cannot guarantee that it will work in your case also, or it can also make you more fluent. There are many ways. So you need to seek a good way to practice this language, to improve this language. Maybe I'm unable to share with you people the best way to improve English language. So you need to keep watching many YouTubers videos, not only my video. Okay, because how can I know all the ways. I have my own experience. That's what I share with people. And I'm sure that it can help people. A lot of people, they are getting benefit from my videos. But I cannot deny the fact that whatever I'm sharing with the people, it will work on them 100%. I think it will not also sometime. So this is the case. So if you want to speak this language fluently, you should constantly keep searching that who is sharing good way to practice this language and how I can improve it fast way. You should constantly seek some new ways, some new ideas. But in my case, I tried many things, and whatever worked, I like to share with you people, okay? So I found that consistency played a vital role in my case. Why I am saying this? Because when I drop my practice, so I see the consequences. It seems that I start forgetting the words, I start hesitating to speak with people. So when we start hesitating, when we start fumbling, when we feel that I cannot speak with that particular person, it means that we are forgetting English language, or we are missing a lot of things. Okay, so if you want to improve from all the dimensions, I mean confident wise or vocabulary wise, or what we say, that pronunciation and all, so you need to practice every single day. What we do when we don't practice? You might be speaking your mother tongue, right? क्या होता होगा अगर हम इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते होंगे तो कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं? We speak our mother tongue, right? So in that case, let's suppose you are going to drop your practice for 1 month and you are not going to speak with anyone in English language, and you are going to speak in your mother tongue only. So my friend, you will be not able to speak English language fluently. Maybe if you practice enough, so in future, but in between, if you say or not, but in your heart, the fear would be there that whether I will be able to speak the way I used to speak or not. So the biggest mistake we make in this journey, that we drop our practice. That's what we should not do, okay? Other thing, many people, they share that how you can improve this language, right? Keep listening, keep writing, keep reading, keep talking to people. If you are not doing any of them, then it will take time, okay? So if you are not practicing right way, it will double down your timing. I mean, if you are supposed to speak this language in 1 year, you may be able to speak this language in 2 years. So there is loss, right? So if we want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly in short period of time, we should maintain our consistency. We should practice each and every day. Listening practice, reading practice, speaking practice. And my friend, if we keep doing these all things, one day we'll be speaking this language fluently and effortlessly. So notice that where you are making mistakes, whether you are practicing every single day or not, or do you read book or not, check everything out, okay? And try to write down in your diary and practice every single day. And wherever you are making mistakes, try to work on them. This is the way to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. But my friend, don't forget, it's a language. It is going to take time. You cannot get mastery in this language overnight. It takes a lot of time. So don't forget the truth and work hard. You will be definitely speaking this language fluently and effortlessly, because I believe in you. So I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.